how to change nickname in Instagram group chat. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change or add a nickname for people involved in an Instagram group chat? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. Select the group chat where you want to change the nickname. Tap on the group name at the top. Then tap on the nicknames option. From here, you can change the nickname for other group members or even for yourself. If you wish to change your own nickname, then tap on your account to edit it. For this tutorial, let's change or add the nickname for other group members. Tap on the account of the group member whose nickname you want to change. Then tap on the nickname box to bring up the typing interface. Now add a nickname of your choice. For example, I will write Hansi with a cool emoji. Tap the done option to save the changes. As you can see, the nickname has been successfully changed. Please note that nicknames added or changed here will only be displayed within this group chat. Also, please note that in personal chats or other group chats, the actual name or nickname will appear unless you set a nickname there as well. Additionally, you can also control who can edit your nickname. Tap on the blue text that says change who can edit your nickname. A menu will appear. Select only you option to prevent other group members from changing your nickname. Remember, if you change the nickname, whether for yourself or other group members, then they will be notified in the group chat. As you can see, there is a message at the bottom that says the nickname was changed for a specific person, confirming that the other group members also get notified about the nickname changes. And boom! You have successfully learned how to change nickname in an Instagram group chat. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.